10.35. Everybody get it ready. This is called Yugala Geetam. The sloka will come in Yugalam, pairs. Two sloka will come with same meaning, like with the same context. So it's called Yugala Geetam. Shri Shukavacha. First one mattum like this. गोप्यः कृष्णे वनं याति कमलोद्धृतचेतसः कृष्णलीलाः प्रगायन्त्यो निन्युः दुःखेन वासरा. Again, गोप्यः कृष्णे वनं याति कमलोद्धृतचेतसः कृष्णलीलाः प्रगायन्त्यो निन्युः दुःखेन वासदा. वामबाहुकृतवामकपोलो पल्किदभ्रुरधरार्पितवेणु कोमलाङ्गुलिविराश्रितमार्गं मोप्यनीदयति यत्र मुकुन्दः व्योमयान वनिता सह सिद्धै विस्मितास्तदुपदार्य सलज्जा काममार्गणसमर्पितचित्ता Pashmadam Yayurapasmritaniyah. For us to graze the cows, the gopis were missing him. So they are telling, see how lucky is all the animals in the forest to get to see him. How lucky are the clouds that see Bhagavan. How lucky are the trees and the creepers that see Bhagavan. How lucky are the rivers that flow and go near the feet of Bhagavan. How lucky are the celestial women and men who are flying in their Pushpaka Vimanas. See the level of imagination and involvement in Krishna's activities. So thinking about Krishna, playing the flute and seeing how all each of these responds, the gopis are having satsang among themselves. And so they are telling Krishna Leela Pragayanti. This is their work always. Krishna Leela Pragayanto Ninyuhu, and they forget their day-to-day trouble and then they sing Krishna Leela. Then they are telling left hand and left face cheeks are leaning to the left shoulder and the left hand and like holding like that. Vama baho kreda vama kapulu valgina pruradhara pidavenu, holding the beautiful flute in the lovely lips of Bhagavan with the lovely eyebrows are moving along with the rhythm of the flute, and he's just kujati, vibrating the flute, vibrating. Just when he keeps near the lips, the flute has to vibrate. Krishna does not do anything, the flute gets vibration. Horripilation as though, because Krishna is touching, Krishna is holding. So, with the lovely soft hands and fingers, Komalang will be Rashri the Margam. Our Bhagavan moves the fingers among the holes of the flute and vibrates the flute, and the gopis are wondering how beautiful is the sound of the flute. Then Krishna is playing the flute in the skies. The beautiful siddhas and their wives are all flying across the sky, and they watch. The women watch Bhagavan. Vismidas tadupadadya salajja. Even avalukku amorous sentiments are aroused in them seeing our Krishna Bhagavan like this. Who will not like Bhagavan is the Sakshat Manmada. So Kama Margana Samarpi avalukku control panna mudiyama. They are getting prema bhava to Bhagavan. Kashmalam Yayurapasmrita. They are feeling the body is losing consciousness. They are going to inward state. And the bodyல what is happening ne தெரியாம go to the unmatta nilai, even the wives of the siddha. Prajavrisha mrigagavo venuvadya hridachetasa dandadashta kavana hridakarna nidrida ligida chitramivasan. Again, हन्द चित्र अबला शृणुतेदम् हारहास उरसि स्थिरविद्युत् नन्दसूनुरयम् आर्तजनानां नर्मदो यर्हि कूजितवेणुः वृन्दशो व्रज वृषा मृगगावो वेणुवाद्यहृदचेतस आरात् वेणुवाद्यहृदचेतस आरात् दन्तदष्टकवला धृतकर्णा निद्रिदा लिखित चित्रमिवासन्. Are telling हारहासौरसि स्थिरविद्युत्. Our Lakshmi Mata is in the Rakshasthalam of Krishna, brightly shining like lightning, and the beauty is enhanced by the smile of Krishna. The beauty of his necklaces and the Vakshasthala, wearing so many beautiful ornaments. There, Lakshmi Mata is shining like a Vidyut, like a lightning. That Krishna who is Artha Jananam, he is the uplifter and of the afflicted people. He is the one who protects the afflicted, the one who are suffering. Bhagavan protects them and helps them. That Bhagavan, when he plays the flute, the cows, the bulls, and all the forest animals, they forget to chew the grass. वृन्दशो व्रजवृषामृगगावो वेणुवाद्यहृतचेतसारा दन्तदष्टकवलात्रिदकर्णा. They are eating the grass, but the mouth is just like holding. It's not able to swallow or chew anymore. அப்படி ஸ்தம்பிச்சு போயிட்டு அந்த ears are coming out to hear, and they become stambich, like still stop again, like that. Like the nidrita, either like asleep or as though their body conscious is not there. They are like things in the picture. The picture is just a drawing, Mari, it will not move, right? Like that. They become like pictures, like chitram in the beautiful picture, Mari. They are all likita chitrameva, drawing Mari aita. They became still. Nidida likita chitrameva. All the things lose body consciousness when just by hearing the flute of Bhagavan. When Bhagavan plays the flute, it goes across the cosmos. And our Lord Shiva, who was playing the drums, he stopped hearing the sound of the flute. Then the Sanaka Rishis who are all engaged in tapas, suddenly they Havarod tapas kalandurtu, they stopped and heard the flute. Then Brahmaji, who is sitting on the lotus and doing the work of creation, he became stunned and quiet hearing the sound of the flute. And right at the Patala Loka, our Adishesha is holding the entire universe with all the earth and the planets are all on his head, and he's holding them steady nicely. But when the flute starts playing, he starts moving his head this way, that way, and everything starts moving with him. Like that, the flute is affecting all the celestials, right from Shiva and Brahma to Adishesha. So, Handa Chitramabala Shunudidam Harahasaurasi Sthiravidyut Nanda Sonurayata Janana Narmado Yarihi Kujita Venu Vindasho Rajavrisha Mrigagavo वेणुवाद्यहृदचेतसारा दन्तदष्टकवलात्रिदकर्णा निद्रिदा लिखितचित्रमिवासन्. Next, बर्हिणस्तव कदा तु पलाशैर् बद्धमल्लपरिबर्ह विडम्ब कर्हिचित् सबल आलिसगोपै गासमाह्वयदि यत्र मुकुन्दः तर्हि भग्नगतय सरितो वै तत्पदाम्बुजरजो निलनीतं स्पृहयति द्वयमिवा बहुपुण्या प्रेम वेपितभुजास्तिमितापः. Just like a wrestler, wrestling பண்ணுவா கிருஷ்ணா and the boys, all the sports Bhagavan is expert. This wrestling has lot of practice here, because later in the Kamsa Vadham, Kamsa will send the two wrestlers Chanura and Mustika. They're going to fight with Bhagavan, and then Krishna Balrama will fight with them and smash them. After that, they'll attack Kamsa. So upper wrestling is very important for them. So here now they are dressed up as wrestlers, and Bhagavan is wearing all kind of powder, etc., mineral paints, and then he has the mile peeling, and then with Balramji and all the Gopas are all near him, and Bhagavan is playing the flute and calling the names of the cows. The cows are all grazing, Hariyo Lakshmi, and he will call. Hariyo Mangala, he will call, and the cows will be. Hariyo Chitra Saki, he will call, and Chitra will come. Like this, different cows, Gas Samahvayadi. The cows get Krishna calling my name, Krishna calling my name. They shake their horns and come and stand near Krishna. The river, hearing the sound of Krishna's flute, it was flowing this way, that way, as though, and the wind is, allowing the river to flow towards Krishna, and it wants to touch the feet of Bhagavan. Tatpadambujarajonilanitam sprihayadibhayamivahu punya, but it couldn't get that close, and then it stopped. And the gopis are telling, the river didn't have enough punyam like us. We are not there. And the river is also not able to touch him, but it's not able to leave. It's adum stambichu nikkardi stimitapaha. The river also, that is, the nature of the river is to flow, but it stopped flowing. Everything is losing its original nature. All the things are losing their swabhava and getting immersed in Krishna Smarana and losing their swabhava. What is the nature? And the nature is mar, body conscious is leaving. It is filled with premai. This feeling of love is in all of us, and that love has to be awakened, and we have to remind us that is our Swarupa. So the river is experiencing the sound of the flute. Then Anucharai Samano Varnita Vidya Adipurushaivachalabodhi वनचरो गिरितटेषु चरन्ति वेणुनाह्वयदिगासयदाहि वनलतास्तरव आत्मनि विष्णुं व्यञ्जयन्त्यैव पुष्पफलाढ्या प्रणतभारविटपामधुदारा प्रेमहृष्टतनव ससृजुस्म अनुचरै समनुवर्णितवीर्य आदिपूरुषा इवाचलभूतिः वनचरो गिरितटेषु चरन्तीर्वेणुनाह्वयदि गासयदाहि वनलतास्तरव आत्मनि विष्णुं व्यञ्जयन्त्य इव पुष्पफलाढ्याः प्रणतभार. Pranat, everywhere it's premai. Krishna is only giving that premai. He is revealing the premai within us. Pranata vara vitapa madhudara prema hrishta tanava sasrujusma. All the other gopas are there. Balramji is there, and they are all talking about Krishna. See how great this Krishna is. Adi Purusha, that Bhagavan who is the supreme being. Anmol vastu saste mein bik gaya. That Bhagavan who is the father of the universe, the one who is running the universe, he became a small, Manusha Avatara and playing with us. Like this, they are singing the glories of Bhagavan, because Govardhan Leela is over and they have seen so many Leelas for Krishna perform. So the boys are singing Vanacharo Giri Anucharai Samano Varnita Vidya. All the talk is about Krishna only. That's what you have to see everywhere. For the Vrajavasi, everything is about Krishna. If they make laddu, it's Krishna. If they are doing work, it is with Krishna. If they are sleeping, if they are playing, if they are enjoying, going on trips, everything Krishna Smaranam. Krishna told them, when I am leaving, even he went to Vrindavan, मुझे हमेशा स्मरण में रखना, he says. Always keep me in your mind. It's Namalakam that for us also. Always. Like that, they are all always something related to Krishna. So they are telling his glories. Vanacharo giri tateshu charandi. Again with the flute, Bhagavan is calling the cows. Now the forest, the trees and the creepers are loaded with fruits and flowers, and they are not able to bear the weight, and as though they are bowing down and offering the fruits and flowers at Krishna's feet as he passes by. And they feel horripilation when Krishna touches them, and the trees start, giving nectar. The trees, the liquid starts flowing, the sap flowing from the trees, and the trees also feel horripilation. Pranata Bhara Vitapa. The prema is Bhagavan, intense love. That is our Krishna Swarupam, is revealing that. Prema Hrishta Tanava, அவளுக்கு manipulation and the secretion of the fluid, etc., happening for the trees and the creepers. The tulasi madhumatai alikulaidalahu geetamabhishtam आद्रियं यदिहि सन्दितवेणुः सरसि सारस हंसविहङ्ग चारुगीतहृदचेतसयेत्य हरिमुपासदते यदचित्त अन्नमीलितदृशोद्धृतमौना. Again, दर्शनीय तिलको वनमाला, दर्शनीय तिलको वनमाला, दिव्यगन्ध तुलसी मधुमत्तै अलिकुलैदलकु गीतमभीष्टम् आत्मीयं यदि सन्दितवेणुः तिलको वनमाला. Bhagavan has beautiful tilaka, beautiful vanamala. Divyagandha tulasi madhumattai, big tulasi mala, tulasi touching till the feet of Bhagavan. And so the honeybees are all buzzing nearby, wanting to drink the nectar of the flowers. The bees are also humming and matching the ragam of the flute. आद्रियन् यदिहि सन्दितवेणुः सरसि सारस. Now when the cranes, the swans, all those water animals also, they all come and stand near Bhagavan, and அப்படியே சித்தம் is immersed in the flute, and then they become stunned, and as though doing meditation on Bhagavan, they became still, and with eyes closed they are doing Krishna Dhyanam. The animals like the swans and the cranes, etc. Sarasi Sarasa Hamsa Vihanga. So, Darshaniyati Nakovanamala Divyagandha Tulasi Madhumattai Alikulaidalakugītamavishtam. This Rupa Dhyanam of Bhagavan is very good for us because it removes the threefold miseries from the heart. But different way of how Krishna is dressed we are reading. And the Rupa Dhyanam, for a second if it comes, it is for removing the Achidananda Rupaya Vishwotpatyadi Hedave Tapatraya Vinashaya Shri Krishnaya Vayam Namaha. Epdiyo Krishna Smaranam, when it comes, Tapatraya Vinashaya. That you will see what you are hearing Krishna. And we are Bhagyavan because Prema Bhakti is the Sadhyam. Ipo nama doing sadhana. Sadhyam is Prema to Krishna. Then we are studying Prema. Krishna Prema ki mela nothing is there. Adaya vendiyadu Krishna Prema. So different way to see the gopis, to see the birds and the rivers and the clouds and the trees and creepers and cows. Eppadi they do love, eppadi Prema varudhu. The sweet song Bhagavan has given us to sing and learn and feel that, right? So Darshaniya Tilako Vanamala, and he will, the cheeks lelam he will have designs. Pretty flowers will be drawn on the cheeks, and then all the eyebrows here and all they draw the designs, and beautiful tilaka will be there, and beautiful eyes which go till the ears. The only eyes of Bhagavan with long lashes, and the thick hair will be falling to the shoulders, and then there will be the kireedam and then the mailpidi. Like that, different alangaram Bhagavan will have. So, Alikulaira Lagugeetamabhishtam Adriyan Yarihi Sandida Venu Sarasi Sarasa Hamsa Vihanga Charugita Hrida Cheda Saitya Harimupasada Teya Chitta Handa Milita Drishodrida Mauna Sahabala Sagavatam Savilasa तानुषोचितिभृतो व्रजदेव्य हर्षयन् यर्हि वेणुरवेण जातहर्षौ परं वदि विश्वं महदधिक्रमणशङ्कितचेद मन्दमन्दमनुगर्जति मेघ सुहृदमभ्यवर्षत्सु मनोभिः छायया च विदधत् प्रदपत्रम्. Bhagavan and Balram are, dressed beautifully, and they stand in mountain valleys, and they stand on top of the mountains and start playing the flute. Then all the clouds get attracted by the beauty of Krishna, and they want to send gentle showers and gentle thundering to match the flute or raga. The clouds will also be as though playing drums but in a gentle way. And then this thing, Krishna is our friend. Suhridam Abhyavarshat, because why? Krishna is blue color, we are also blue color. Like that, they want to send showers of flowers on them. And also gentle rain when the sun is too hot. Also they hold like the umbrella for Krishna Balram when the sun is too hot. So the clouds are Bhagavata, cloud Bhagavata, river Bhagavata, cow Bhagavata, tree Bhagavata, Ellam Bhagavata. Sahabala Sragavadam Savidasa Sanushoti Brido Vrajadevya Harshayan Yarihi Venu Javena Jada Harshau Param Vadi Vishwam Mahadadi Kramana Shangita Cheda Manda Manda Manugarjadi Mega Suhridamabhyavashat Sumanubhi Chayaya Chavidadat Pradapa